of India is also known as Somita Divas in Hindi. It is also known as National Law Day or National Constitution Day. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution Day of India was adopted. The first Constitution Day of India was observed on 26 November 2015. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about Constitution of India. In 2015, the government declared 26 November as Constitution Day. In this day, all the government offices and institutions came to the reading of the preamble of the Constitution. Many lectures and seminars are organized in the schools and colleges on this day. Thank you.